Hi everyone! I am making a short video on how to make your own rain stick. For this project, you will need a paper towel roll. You will need 2 square-ish pieces of tin foil, 2 rubber bands, a long-ish piece of tin foil. This piece is about the length of 2 paper towel rolls, but it doesn't really matter. And you'll need some rice. This is about a half a cup of rice. So the first thing that we need to do is take that long piece of tin foil and you're going to fold it down in about 1 inch. And I like to fold mine flat. So I'm going to keep going. Mine's a little crooked, but that's okay. And then, once you have it nice and flat, take the end and fold it down just a bit. And that way, when the rice goes through it, it won't get stuck in the middle. Now the next thing we're going to do can be tricky, but I know you can do it. We're going to twist this part like this. Go down to the next bit and twist. Oh, mine just ripped, but that is okay. I'm just going to fold it in. Go to the next bit and twist. Oh, how fun. Go to the next bit and twist. And you'll see mine looks a little crazy, but that is okay. Gonna make it more, just flatten it out a little bit. So you'll see I sort of have, I'm sure there's a very good name for this, but I do have a little spiral going. Then I need to slide it in the tube. Oh, good. So when I look through it, I should be able to see a little bit of light coming through. It looks like we can in mine, so I'm good to go. Now, this part, you're going to take one of those square-ish pieces. You can see I already did it. And this is what we use to cover the bottom and the top. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it and smush all those sides down, just like smush, 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 smush. I take the rubber band and I just dropped mine. I'm going to secure it on just like this. Perfect. All right, now before we put on the other side, we're going to have to pour in our rice. You can already hear it sound like rain. And now we need to put on the other end. Now let's see if we can hear some rain. I think so. How beautiful. Do you know a rain song you can sing with me? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He fell out of bed and bumped his head and couldn't wake up in the morning. Oh, beautiful. The other fun thing you can do is you can decorate your tube. Maybe draw a sun or a rain cloud or butterflies, dinosaurs, race cars, anything you like. All right, thanks for watching this video. See you later.